Now, do you know? Food grains do not last long, they get easily infected and turn into powder. In ancient times, people used to roast food grains before grinding them. If a few grains got charred while roasting, they were thrown away. Such charred grains can remain intact for a very long period. During excavations, such charred grains can be recovered. When these are inspected in a laboratory, we come to know what grain it is. Now in those times, the food grains which they use does not long last as it gets spoiled and turn into powder, because in those days they don't have freeze. Now we have freeze, so we can store the food and all the food grains and it will get last long. Now to keep food grain safe before eating, they first used to roast them and then grind it. While roasting, the grains got burned. They directly throw away that grain. So that after long years, then if we go for the excavation, during excavation period, they got these shared food grains and these food grains were sent into laboratory for testing to check what grains it is. Now you can see the coin. These are the coins. In those times they use. Now written sources. Now in the Stone Age period, when they want to express their emotion, they used to do the painting on the rock to express their feeling. Now then, after thousands of years, slowly man started to learn how to write. Now initially man used to symbols or signs to express their thoughts and ideas. Then after thousands of years, man started learning how to write the script. In the beginning, man wrote on the potsherd and unbaked bricks using pointed objects. They also used birch, that is bhurja tree, to write on. As his experience and knowledge increased, he began to write in different ways.